Welcome to Raider Trading, automated day trading software that scales with conviction, de-risks with precision, and turns volatility into profit. This morning, Battalion Oil Corporation surged 40% pre-market on news of completing a major asset sale that reduced their leverage and improved the company's credit situation. However, as price extended well above the 5-minute upper Bollinger band, we turned short mode on, and the software scaled into multiple short positions as price peaked at 613. As expected, price began to collapse, and Raider Trading added shorts at 556, 549, 529, and ultimately covered at 512 for 700 in profit. As price found support at $5, Raider Trading de-risked the remainder of our position at 501. Unfortunately, we don't get filled at our de-risk price, but thankfully, our position is fairly small at our designated risk level of 100. Raider Trading sets a smart stop loss. Not technically a stop loss since those are not allowed pre-market, but the algo will automatically cover for a loss at 529 if price reaches that level, since we don't want to risk holding if the price makes another run. Our de-risk target was eventually filled for 100 in profit, showing that Raider Trading's stop-loss calculation was spot on, giving enough space for price to move as to not trigger the stop, but not too much space which would risk a larger loss. Price stalls out for the final time after finding support where the pump originated from. Raider Trading scales out, and we walk away with 900 in profit. All completed by Raider Trading, automated day trading software that scales with conviction, de-risks with precision, and turns volatility into profit. Head to raidertrading.com to learn more.